Here's a strange anomaly. The Uniden R7 radar detector falses to my BlackVue DR900S-2CH dashcam when I have Wi-Fi turned on. First it'll show up as 34.710, then quickly switching to 34.640. Here, watch, I'll turn it on.
Wi-Fi on. Front KA band 34650.
You'd wonder why having Wi-Fi on would give a radar alert. Very strange. Turn it off.
Wi-Fi off.
And there it goes. I mean, one way you can block that is by using segmentation to eliminate that. But you wouldn't want the segmentation turned on to block it if you actually have real law enforcement that uses that as well. So be careful about that.